Today I will take care of the hydrangea garden. There are a lot of things to be trimmed, cut. The 3-tier topiary and the 2-tier topiary has to get trimmed, formed. The columbines are now done. I will be cutting them down, but I'll leave maybe 5 plants so the seeds can ripen and self-seed for next year. And then I'll show you how the hydrangea garden looks like right now. This is the garden that transforms very often because I have different kinds of perennial that flower at a different time. So it always looks different. So when I show you the columbines last time, and I don't know what I showed you before that, and now we have other perennials that are coming up, like bellflowers, speedwell, the Japanese spirea is starting to put out blossoms. I have night violets that are still in bloom. And the hydrangeas are now starting to put out some flowering buds. But first I have to do my maintenance here so it looks better again. And then we'll see. I have to trim the 2-tier and 3-tier topiaries. Okay. So it's been a week now since I did my last maintenance in the hydrangea garden, and I would like to show you what is in bloom right now. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now.